And today, the Supreme Court upheld a Trump administration plan to deport asylum seekers who fail their initial screening. ABC 10 News reporter Jared Ahrens spoke with lawmakers about what this means going forward.
The court's ruling means that people whose initial request for asylum was turned down can no longer have that decision appealed to a federal court. In a 7-2 ruling, the court says the Trump administration's Immigration Reform Act does not violate the Constitution's promise of due process. It also upheld a clause in the law that allows deportation of asylum seekers anywhere in the U.S., not just near the border. Immigration lawyer Jacob Sapochnik says it leaves asylum decisions up to officials at the border and not based on the law.
Now, there's going to be essentially somebody who's not even going to look at any of the evidence and make a decision. Who knows how they're going to make the decision, and expedite remove those people right there without giving them the right to go to court.
The ACLU released a statement saying, quote, "This ruling fails to live up to the Constitution's bedrock principle that individuals deprived of their liberty have their day in court, and this includes asylum seekers. This decision means that some people facing flawed deportation orders can be forcibly removed with no judicial oversight, putting their lives in grave danger." And in a dissenting opinion, Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote, quote, "Today's decision handcuffs the judiciary's ability to perform its constitutional duty to safeguard individual liberty and dismantles a critical component of the separation of powers." Sapochnik says the ruling puts asylum seekers in the same category as people who cross the border illegally.
And we're expecting some sort of retaliation for the DACA decision, some sort of the government needed some sort of a win in the past week, and I think this was kind of a way for them to show that they do have some sort of control.
Sapochnik told me people already in the asylum system should still get their day in court. This ruling affects new people seeking asylum. At the federal courthouse, Jared Ahrens, ABC 10 News.